Are you looking for the best gaming graphics cards? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best gaming graphics cards on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060. When it comes to finding a solid budget-friendly option for gamers and creators alike, the MSI Gaming GeForce RTX 3060 12GB graphics card stands out with its impressive 12GB GDDR6 memory. This card boasts a memory speed of 15 gigabits per second and clock speeds of 1710 MHz for the GPU and 1807 MHz for memory, ensuring smooth gameplay in modern AAA titles. We can easily tackle tasks like video editing and 3D rendering, making it versatile for various applications. With a Torx twin fan design, it keeps cool during long sessions, so we don't have to worry about overheating. Plus, its multiple outputs allow for seamless multi-monitor setups, enhancing our overall gaming experience. All in all, it's a fantastic choice. Number 2. GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 3060. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 3060 Gaming OC 12G graphics card stands out as an excellent choice for gamers seeking high performance without breaking the bank. With its 12 GB of GDDR6 memory and Nvidia's Ampere architecture, it delivers impressive gaming capabilities, easily handling AAA titles at high settings. The WindForce 3X cooling system guarantees stable temperatures, keeping max heat around 72 to 75 degrees Celsius under load. We appreciate the dual HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort 1. For connections, making it versatile for various setups. Plus, the RGB Fusion 2.0 lighting adds a touch of style. With positive feedback on frame rates, we can confidently say this card is a great option for both gaming and creative applications. Number 3. GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060. With its powerful 8GB GDDR6 memory and cutting-edge Nvidia DLSS 3 technology, the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4060 Gaming OC 8G graphics card stands out as an ideal choice for gamers and content creators alike. Featuring a robust Ader Lovelace architecture, it boasts up to 4x performance enhancements with DLSS 3, making it perfect for high-resolution gaming. The 3x WindForce cooling system guarantees we maintain low temperatures, even during intense sessions, while the RGB Fusion lighting adds a touch of flair to our setups. It's designed for compatibility with various systems, like the AMD 7600X, and is praised for its quiet operation and easy installation. With a solid warranty and return policy, we can invest in this card with confidence. Number 4. ASUS Dual Nvidia GeForce RTX 3060. Designed for gamers seeking high performance without breaking the bank, the ASUS Dual Nvidia GeForce RTX 3060 V2 OC edition stands out with its impressive 12GB GDDR6 memory and advanced cooling technology. This graphics card features Nvidia's Ampere architecture, delivering remarkable power efficiency and excellent frame rates, even at 4K medium settings. The dual axial tech fans guarantee quiet operation while optimizing airflow, keeping the card cool during intense gaming sessions. With a boost clock of 1867 MHz in OC mode, it handles demanding titles effortlessly. Plus, its compatibility with various setups and easy installation make it a hit among users. For those looking to elevate their gaming experience without overspending, this card offers exceptional value and performance. Number 5. XFX Radeon RX 580. Looking for a graphics card that excels in both gaming and cryptocurrency mining? The XFX Radeon RX 580 GTS XXX edition is a strong contender. With a base clock of 1366 MHz and an overclock of 1386 MHz, it's optimized for high-resolution gaming, particularly at 1080p. This card features 8GB of GDDR5 memory and 2304 stream processors, ensuring smooth gameplay even in demanding titles. Its dual-fan design and advanced cooling technologies keep temperatures in check while minimizing noise. Plus, with dual BIOS options, we can easily switch between gaming and mining modes. The Radeon Chill technology also helps save power during less intense sessions. Overall, it's a versatile choice that combines performance with value for both gamers and miners.